In this video, I'll go over how to upload PDFs and then how to edit links to PDFs or add a new one if you needed to do that. So we're going to go ahead and log in. And then we're going to go to Media, which brings us to the Media Library. And if you're adding a new document, you just hit Add New, drag and drop the PDF file to here. I'm not going to add anything new to the Media Library right now, but here's what I will do. I will go into one of these PDFs that are already here, because after the PDF uploads, what you want to do is click on the PDF to get to this detail page, and you want to copy and paste this entire URL. This is the actual link to the PDF that you're going to use on the page when you edit that the link. So you copy that, close out of there, go to the page where you want to edit the PDF link, go into the Gala page, edit, go into this area to edit, and then click on the text. Where you want to swap out the PDF, click on the edit button, and then delete that link and paste in your new link. And then when you're done, you'll click update, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to make a change right now. And then, of course, the very last thing you do is click this update button. And then the PDF will be updated. If you needed to add a new PDF link, then you just, let's say we wanted to link this to a PDF. And actually, that might be a good idea for the bid auction items. That could be a way to handle it, would be to have a PDF, and that would keep it easy for you to update. And so that's just something to think about there. But let's say you wanted to add a link here. You just, that # is in there as a link placeholder. So you can ignore that for now. But if you were to put an actual PDF link on here, you'd just delete that and paste the actual link in, click Apply, click Update, and then go all the way back up to the page and click Update again. So I hope that's clear and straightforward. If not, just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.